Hi, in front of me is HUAWEI Honor 9X Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can operate vibration options on this device. Start by opening Settings, then scroll down and click on Sounds. Over here you can click on the switcher next to Vibrate in silent mode to enable or disable vibrations while your device is muted. After that, go into Phone Ringtone and tap on the switcher next to Vibrate to enable or disable vibrations for incoming calls in SIM 1 and SIM 2. Go back, click on Sorry Too Far, click on Messaging Tone, and over here turn on or off vibrations for your messages. Go back again, scroll all the way down, tap on More Sound Settings, and tap on the switcher next to Vibrate on Touch to turn on or off touch vibrations. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed